all and welcome to Crochet Designs. My name is Mary and today is the day. Yay! Very exciting. We are doing the announcing of our new craft room giveaway. As you can see here, lots of our subscribers have entered, and if you haven't entered, sorry. But don't stress, because I do giveaways all the time and some more are coming up in the near future, so get excited about that. But in the meantime, today, am I yelling? I'm sorry. Today we are going to be doing the announcing of the giveaway. Now, before we do, on Wednesday's live, a lot of people are saying, we'd love to know exactly how many skeins were in that pack. Now, if you did enter our giveaway, the giveaway was, see this bag? It's empty at the moment. What? They're saying, wait a minute, you had it filled up. I took it out because I actually hadn't counted them. So we're going to count them together, and they said, look, we'd love to see, you know, what yarn is in there. And I thought, okay, I was going to leave it a secret, but I changed my mind. The person who wins today is going to get this bag filled with yarn, and I did count them just before I went on. And there are 19 skeins of yarn, and it wasn't a test. You didn't have to guess the right answer. It was just a little bit of fun. I'm going to allow the YouTube comment picker to pick the winner. Whether or not the winner has chosen 19 skeins of yarn, then that's lucky. But if they haven't, well, get ready. We've got two black cottons, 4-ply, I believe. It's Bendigo Woolen Mills. In there also are 4 buttons. 2. We have 3 carnival yarns. We have 4 superb 8 yarns. Fiddlesticks 8 yarns. We have, now this, I don't even know why I'm giving this away, because I bought this specifically to make something for myself. It is cotton, and it's a Pima or Pima cotton, depends on how you pronounce it. It's called Cascades Yarns Ultra Pima Cotton. There's 4 skeins there, or skeins, and they're kind of like hanks really, so you'd have to wind them up. I believe they're about 100 grams each. I could be wrong. They look like 100 grams. I can't remember. It doesn't matter. Whoever wins it's getting those, 4 of those. And some of my Crocheting, which I always like to give away during our giveaways, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the same dye lots, so you can't go wrong. And 1 of these little needles here, and I'm giving that away because we are going to be working on doilies coming up soon. So it's a little cotton that you can use to make a doily with, whoever the winner is. And that's it. There are 19 skeins there. I hope there's 19 skeins. I hope I counted it right. And of course, 1 of these. We're going to do the Tim Tam Slam. Now, shh, nobody's available for the Tim Tam Slam, so I'll just have to do it myself. Shh. Was that quiet enough so no one can come in? Because I want to do it. You know, I've been dieting for so long. I think it's entitled to one little Tim Tam. So, so the Tim Tam Slam, guys, is you grab a Tim Tam. That's a Tim Tam, so I never have chocolate biscuits. So you can get a close up. It's all very sticky now. It's all very warm here in Melbourne. You have to eat one corner, and then you have to eat a little bit on the other corner. So you go, there. That's one corner. Turn it around. I think I had too much from it. Get the other corner. All right. So you've got your 2 corners eaten. That's probably too much. Then you grab it and you go pop it in your tea or your coffee. That was very noisy, but that's what you do. Shh, don't tell anyone. It's all very sticky, but it's very yummy. So whoever wins today, do yourselves a favour, make a big mess of yourself like I've just done. Should have got tissues with me. and do the Tim Tam Slam. They are yummy to just like, I don't even know what to call them. Yummy, yummy, delight, yummy. One of those. So guys, that's it. I said I wouldn't show you. I have. It doesn't matter. Whoever the winner is going to win all of that gear, which is pretty cool. Really? Okay, so I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm just going to let you get on with checking out who that winner is. But I know, naughty. Before we go, on Saturday mornings live, we're going to be doing a little, I call it a dance, but we're going to be going through all this yarn here, and you guys are going to be helping me choose the yarn for our next swatch. And what is a swatch, I hear you ask? If you are new to the channel, we are doing a swatch blanket of 2021, and we are doing so many swatches, and in November we're going to pop all the swatches together and make a gorgeous blanket. Each swatch is 20 centimeters by 20 or 8 inches by 8 inches, and I can't wait to do that. We are going to be doing swatch 11. I can't remember what we're up to. What? It doesn't matter. On Saturdays live, 10 a.m. Melbourne, Australia time, by the way. Always think about Melbourne, Australia time when I give you a time, right? And we're going to be doing we're going to be choosing the next yarn. Now you guys get to choose that yarn. You guys get to choose the colorway of the next swatch. Isn't that fantastic? All right, forget about it. Let's get on with announcing the winner to the giveaway. Good luck, everyone. Alrighty guys, we're going to go down here and grab the shareable link, like so. Go up to that little comment picker doobalacky guy, pop it there, and paste. Oh good, it worked, yep. And we're going to filter duplicate users because we're only allowed to enter once. That was one of our giveaway, oh I've gone too far down, one of our giveaway rules. And here we go. We've got to get the comments. I wonder how many comments we got. 77, yay, plenty. All right, there can only be one winner. There is a start button and away we go. And the winner is Gone Crocheting with Lisa. And Lisa says, I'm loving these comments. They all know you too well, Mary Buttons, Tim Tams. Love the new craft room. I'm guessing 21. Thank you for entering, Lisa. You are our only winner today. Well done. Congratulations. Oh, congratulations, Gone Crocheting with Lisa. You are our winner. You need to contact me either on Instagram or Facebook so that we can get this gear out to you. Thank you so much to everyone who entered. Thank you so much to all of the subscribers and for all the things that you do for me. And I know there's quite a few people who actually share our videos on Facebook, and how exciting is that? Now that's just like, I'm so excited. So all the things that you do for me, from the liking and the commenting and the sharing of the videos, thank you so much. We would not be here without you, and I will see you Saturday morning 10 a.m. for the yarn dance. Ciao for now.